Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela, Lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip.
The leader of Operation Dudula movement Nhlanhla Lux has confirmed that one of their members got shot and killed while others are injured when they were attending cable theft. He tweeted, "We were ambushed by illegal foreigners with rifles. One of our guys died on the spot. We waiting for hospitals to update us on the 5+ SA South Africa women who got shot from the back." Question for illegal foreigners and SA politicians: are you sure about this route you are taking? Watch the strong message that he sent on South Africans and media houses.
We've got a country with politicians that's saying that we must normalize this nonsense. We know the name of Elvis Nyati, we don't know the names of the South Africans that died before Elvis Nyati died in numbers. We don't know the names of the South Africans that died in Seshego. But politicians are visiting the illegal foreigners. Even if they're not legal, how does the media, the same media that's asking us questions, how does the media know Elvis's name but not the South Africans' names? Put South Africans first, everyone else will come after. So if you think that there's a problem with that, especially these ever blacks that live in the Bryanstons and the Sandtons, they are disconnected with reality and think that we're over exaggerating and we don't know what we are saying and doing. They can also go to hell with.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.